Go to help.cfc.edu to submit a ticket. Then you go to Accounts and Access, VPN. And then you select VPN PIN Reset, Pulse VPN, and then submit the request. You do this whether you're going to reset or get a new PIN. Fill out the form, hit Request. Then you're going to navigate to clients.vpn.cfc.edu and pick your client. In my case, it's Mac. Then you go through the normal installation process. Whenever prompted, just click OK. I can close the security dialog box. And there you go. And then go ahead and move the installer to the trash. And then go to Find the application. In my case, I go to Finder, Applications, and click on Pulse Secure. You'll need to go to the plus sign and add a connection. So you want to type in VPN, make sure it has Policy Secure up there. And then the URL, token.vpn.cfc.edu. Click Add. Now you need to test the connections by going to Files, Connections, Connect. And once connected, that's where you'll have to enter your PIN information. But that's all it takes.